Hey guys, it's me, Water Bucket, and today I'm gonna draw a perfect circle because I don't know. Okay, this challenge should be easy, I guess. So I'm just gonna draw a perfect circle. Oh wait, this one's bad. Let me do another one. Okay, and yeah, I think I did good.
Lemonade, lemonade.
The rocket monkeys, they're monkeys in space. They try to be heroes, but they're easy to replace.